Did a UFO save mankind from a 20th century ice age? 30th of June 1908, Tunguska, Russia. A meteor thunders through the Earth's atmosphere. Its impact will throw so much dirt into the atmosphere that the sky will turn black around the world. Crops will fail. Mankind and other species face extinction. From nowhere, an alien spacecraft crashes into the huge rock, destroying it and itself just miles above the Earth's surface. The explosion is huge, 15 megatons, but mankind survives. The blaster downs 80 million trees. A century later, an expedition of scientists discovers the remains of the alien craft's control panel. A spaceship from across the stars sacrificed itself to save life on Earth. Or did it? A large meteor did thunder towards Tunguska that day, but meteors of varying sizes enter the Earth's atmosphere every day. The pressure exerted by entering the atmosphere, the ram pressure, causes most to burn up or explode before hitting the surface. No aliens required. At Tunguska, the meteor and its shockwave were huge. The sacrificial UFO theory appeared in 2009 as a result of work by Dr. Yuri Lavrin. His control panel remains are clearly rocks. Science or sci-fi? Discuss in the comments below, and until the next mystery, adios.